Welcome everyone, in this video, we will see SNMP Driver. To know more about SNMP Driver, navigate to Process Manager window. Click on Process, Add Remove Process. Click on plus icon, search LT SNMP Manager. Click on Open and click on Save and Close. Go to Process and click on Start All, or right-click on selected process and click on Restart the selected process option. Now, navigate to IDE window. Go to System, Driver, SNMP. Select an SNMP agent to view all existing agents. To create a new agent, click the plus icon. You can enter a custom name or use the default one. Two types of agent settings are available. Under General Settings, enter the IP address and port number, or leave them as default if no changes are needed. Under Advanced Settings, the default value for both read community and write community is set to public. Timeout defines the duration, in milliseconds, between a request and its response. The default value is set to 1000 milliseconds. You can check the number of reattempts for successful communication with the device, after which a query would be designated as failed by the SNMP driver in the retry count field. By default, the retry count is 1. You can select the request format for sending the query. Get request sends the query for individual object ID and get bulk request sends query for all table OIDs at once. SNMP supports two protocol versions, version 1 and version 2C. The get bulk request is available only in version 2. Tick the Enable Agent checkbox and click on Save. Open the tag editor. Right-click on blank space of User Tags area. And click on Create Object Type. Create Object Type window will open. Right-click on New Object Type. And select Add Tag option. You can add as much tags as you want. Click on New Object Type to rename it. Repeat the same process for added tags. Click on Save, OK. Latest object type will be displayed at last. Right-click on it and select Create Object. Enter the name of object and click on Save. Right-click on Created Object Type and select Modify Object Type. Right-click on the desired tag to change the data type. Then go to Data Types option and select the desired data type. Repeat the same process for other tag. Click on Save, OK. Now go to SNMP device. Select System Name tag. Right-click on System Name tag and click on Insert Config. Select the driver type as SNMP client from the drop-down and click on OK. Go to Channel tab, Channel setting will open. Select the agent name from the drop-down and enter the object modifier. Tick the Enable checkbox and click on Save. SNMP driver configuration is done.
Thank you for watching.